Hi guys, and it's John. Let's with another animal jam video. And today I'll be training this Wolfie Cat 81 girl, or boy, for her nerds. And yeah, I'll just be doing that right now. And if I actually get them, I'm gonna be so happy, like literally really happy. Okay, so I'll just come back when I'm ready. Okay guys, so I'm back, and today I'll be training bow and arrows, blue fox hat, heart locket, and Arctic hood, rare glove, designer skirt, a cactus, and a holiday skirt. And I know this might be under or over, but you know, just gotta do this. If she says no, I'll just be like add. And sorry if you can hear noises in the background. She gonna accept? Oh, those are my. Oh my gosh, guys, okay, so I'm actually freaking out right now. Okay. I'll just get back to you guys. Hi guys, so I'm gonna make a look with it, you know, that's how much is a fox, and wait, I actually like the mellow one. Sorry if you can hear noises in the background. My brother's watching, I don't know what he's watching. Did I just pronounce? No. But yeah, it's like 10:10. It's 10:10 right now. So yeah, that's why my voice is like, you know, mellow. And I'm trying to get my guess. Golden, no. Why? Pause. No. I always do pause at the end. Quiet eyes. Okay, so I'll go back to you guys. Hi guys, and I made a look with it finally. So I got new glasses, friendship bracelet, moon necklace, and a heart balloon. But let me see if they have yellow or black. Yeah, I don't know that look. Yeah, that seems good. Yeah, let me, I want to get black elf bracelets and like a black one, you know, and like something different for the neck. But I'm sure for this soon. Did this go good with it? Oh yay! It does. Okay, sorry. It does. Okay. But I need like my friends on there. It's my brother. He's not even playing right now. He forgot to like out and I don't know what he's doing. Sorry. Yeah, but I guess this is the end of the video. See, I was hosting a store. My store's failed. Their superpowers are the key to undoing all that is in my eye. In my eye. They couldn't escape my death trap. Only because your magic unfairly counters their superpowers. And I got a well. Can someone comment like what those are worth? Because I do not know. But I kind of like the balloon in the back, you know. It's kind of nice. But let me check some. Of course. Hi, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so it's Kiana. And I kind of want to like give a shout out to Cutest10. She makes really good Animal Jam YouTube videos, and yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, and I'm like a really big fan of her, and you guys should totally check out her YouTube. I'll show it too. I already have it ready. It's this, and yeah, she makes really good YouTube videos, like really good YouTube videos. I honestly like all of them. Okay, this is the first video I've ever seen of hers, and you guys, you guys probably won't care, you know. But so. This, just give you four. Oh yeah, my volume's on. Yeah, and she got scammed, sadly. Like, let me show you the part. Okay, so this person, like her friend, was like in a trust trade with them, I guess. And let me show you the part. See. Okay. And then hold up. She traded like a bunch of stuff.
It means you'll have to expect the unexpected. You mean like Batman
See?
over his suspicion?
Wait, no, not right there. But like, right here, right here. Yeah, that's when she scams, or he. But I think that's like her backup, because that's what everyone's. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, this is my brother on the background. Yeah, he always calls me. Sorry, my thing just like paused for some reason. Hi guys, and so thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.